tutorial will show you how your JSON file converted to PNG and PNG converted to text for to run the YOLO8 model. So first of all, the all JSON file converted to PNG format, which is the label data for the chain of YOLO model, and this data will convert it as text format using Python. So first of all, you open your content environment, then open your book. Now I already opened this notebook. First of all, you should call to library import OS and import CV2, and next you set up your input directory where the level data is found. Actually, this is my level data directory file path, and this is the output directory where you want to store it, and this is the code. This code I will upload it in my GitHub. You will find from this. Okay, you can copy and paste your notebook and then run this code. I will provide you link. Now let's start. So run. Okay, complete. Check. So now each PNG file contain a text file. Okay, so in that way we converted all this PNG format to text format.